Hey YouTube, how's it going? Today we're going to be installing a cigarette lighter plug, if you will, in the bed of the truck. I have a EcoFlow battery that I run, and I also have a fridge that I can put in the back when we go camping and off-roading and whatnot. But I have no power in the back of the truck. I don't know why Ford didn't just put power back there, but on the Raptors they have lights but no power. So today I'm going to show you how to install, or how at least I installed this right here. All right guys, so here's stuff you're going to need. You're going to need a step bit. You're going to need your 12 volt plug deal right here, and I got a marine waterproof one I can link in the description, but it's got a nice plug on it. So the one I opted for has kind of like a little housing around it, if you will, and it really matches the size of the one over here, because I'm going to kind of mirror that to this side over here. And I got some wire. I got 50 feet. This is probably way more than I need, 100% way more than I need, but a 12 AWG 50 feet. So, and everything I read online, this should be more than enough power for what this thing's going to run. Of course, you're going to need a measuring tape so we can measure all this stuff correctly. And then last but not least, we'll need some, we got to crimp some of these things together, but so wire cutters and whatnot. But let me show you where I think I'm going to install this, and yeah. All right guys, got it all measured out. There's actually the dot right there. I don't know if you can really see it, but basically this will be almost exactly like the factory light switch on the other side. So it'll look kind of cool that it's nice and very factory looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill down. I'm gonna start with 1 inch on here, and then if I think it's gonna be the next one down, but we'll start with that because I'd rather go less than more, and then we can always go more. I checked behind it, there's nothing behind it I'm gonna hit, so we're just gonna go straight in here. That's exactly what I need. Boom. We have this plate that goes right over this. All right guys, got my hole drilled there. I ran the wire through here. We're gonna basically go up over the fender well, and then I basically, once I'm down here, I follow. You can kind of see right here, this is black and red. Follow that all the way down, basically connected to where my ARB is. Goes all the way down the frame. I gotta clean it up. I just ran it rough now, and I'm gonna go into the factory aux switches here. So 10 amps is what I'm hoping to get out of this right here. So we're gonna run this gray yellow is what we're going on my truck. You have to check yours because they can be different colors, so, but we're gonna run the gray yellow, which is up here. So there's gray yellow right there, and then I will sorry, I can hold the camera kind of weird there. Gray yellow here, and then sorry guys for the light, and then ground up here straight to the frame where I ground all my other stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll kind of have you guys watching while I do this. I got my heat shrink little butt connectors right here. So, and then got this right here for my ground. So I'll get all this crimped up, get them in, and then we'll basically put the switch in the back. We'll connect it all up and screw it down and test it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut back here and again kind of loosely connect everything. Put these on there. we'll go ahead and get it put in, and we'll do a test before I button everything up. Okay, now we do a quick test here with the EcoFlow and see how we're doing. All right guys, just turned on. It's kind of, I don't know if you can see in the camera here, but we're getting 98 watts input now through here. The cool thing about this now is I have this set up on my auxiliary switch here. So I can turn that off, I can turn it on and off. So come back here now. Of course, input 0. But the other cool thing is, you know, for off-roading I need to charge that, or, you know, run a fridge or whatever it might be. When I have this on, and say I forget to turn it off at camp and I have that thing plugged in, I'm not going to drain my battery. That is why I opted to wire it that way. And here we'll hook it back on. We're going up 70, 80, 90, 102. So it looks like 98 is where this is going to be at. I'm not sure if it's because I'm already, you know, pretty high percentage in here, but either way, it'll definitely run a fridge or whatever you need. So I'll get everything buttoned up, but that's pretty much it. There's what it looks like inside. Doesn't need anything too crazy. I'll zip tie all that, clean all the way up, all the way down, get the light back on, and that is pretty much it. Okay guys, here we go. Here's the final, what it looks like, but it's gonna be perfect. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you enjoy this content, definitely hit the subscribe button, and I'll be filming definitely more off-road and different videos. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, and we'll talk then.